Hello student, once again welcome to all by third eye classes. I myself UP Singh in front of you with a topic from arithmetic progression. Here the topic, how we can determine middle term of a finite AP. हम लोग कैसे फाइनाइट एपी का मिडिल टर्म ज्ञात करेंगे. सो लुक एट हियर, टू डिटरमाइन मिडिल टर्म ऑफ ए फाइनाइट एपी. हियर स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो सम रूल बिफोर फाइंडिंग middle term from given AP. Here the first, if number of term is odd, that is n is equal to odd अगर दिया है तो इसमें एक मिडिल टर्म प्राप्त होगा. If n is equal to odd, then we can find only one middle term. Here the formula will be, for finding middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is odd, then we will apply this formula. But when student n is given even number, here if number of terms is even, that is n is equal to even number, then there will be two middle term. For even, how middle term? Two middle term. So therefore here formula, if n is even, will be middle term is equal to n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. Okay, so let us see ahead. It will be more clear after some example. First of all, I have taken the first example. So let us see here. Here the example number 1. Find the middle term of the AP 10, 7, 4 dot minus 62. This is the finite AP. Okay, because the last term is given here. According to question, here A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3, and here student minus 62 will be last term, which will be written here n is equal to last term is equal to minus 62. एंड लास्ट टर्म को हम लोग an से डिनोट करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू फाइंड n. हियर an इज इक्वल टू माइनस 62. ओके, सो यूज हियर फॉर्मूला an a plus n minus 1 into d, because we know that formula of an is a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 62. Okay, so in place of a, put here 10 from here, because a equal to 10, n will be as usual minus 1 into d is here minus 3 from here is equal to minus 62. Okay, minus 3 into n, it will be minus 3n, minus minus it will be plus 3, and 10 को इधर ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा minus 62 minus 10. Here in next step minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 72, because minus 62 and minus 10 को ऐड करेंगे minus 72. In next step this imply minus 3n is equal to minus 72 minus 3. Again this imply minus 3n is equal to minus 75. This imply n is equal to minus 75 by minus 3 is equal to 25. Okay. So now here n is equal to 25. So look at here. N is here odd number. 25 is odd number. So apply the formula for odd. Here we know that for odd number middle term is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. यह फार्मूला odd के लिए यूज किया जाएगा. ओके. So in place of n put here 25 plus 1 by 2th term. This will be 13th term. Means that 13th term is middle term of the given AP. Understood? So find what will be the number at place of 13th term. For this you have to use the formula 13th term. A13 is equal to A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So here A is 10. So put here 10 plus 13 minus 1 will be 12 into D is here minus 3. Okay. So this will be 10 minus 36 is equal to minus 26. So understood? How can you find the middle term? So minus 26 will be the middle term of the given AP. Okay. Here the next example I have taken. Find the middle terms or middlemost terms of the AP 7, 13, 19 ... 241. इसमें एस लगा हुआ है, टर्म्स है, इसका मतलब दो मिडिल टर्म होंगे या मिडिल मोस्ट टर्म यहाँ दिया हुआ है. इससे पता चलता है कि यहाँ एन क्या होगा, इवन होगा. ओके. सो लेट अस सी हाउ कैन वी फाइंड एन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल here A will be 7, D will be 13 minus 7 equal to 6, and once again An will be 241. Okay, this is the last term. ठीक है. So here An equal to 241. So once again apply the formula of An, means nth term. A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 241, because we know that what is the nth term formula. nth term means an. nth term को an से डिनोट करते हैं, तो an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. In next step put the value of a here 7. From here n minus 1 into 6, d is 6. From here is equal to 241. Once again transpose this 7 this side, then it will be 241 minus 7, and after multiplying by 6 in both it will be 6n minus 6 is equal to 241 minus 7. This implies 6n minus 6 is equal to 234. Okay. Again in next step 6n is equal to 234 plus 6. After transposing this side minus 6 it will be plus. Okay. This implies 6n equal to 240. So n is equal to 240 by 6. So therefore here n is equal to 40, and this n 40 is even number. Okay. So यदि even number होगा तो यहाँ दो मिडिल टर्म फाइंड आउट होगा. कैसे? Once again apply the formula. If the n is even, then the formula will be middle term is equal to n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. In place of n put here 40 by 2th term and 40 by 2 plus 1th term. This will be here 20th term and 21st term. Okay. Now find one by one what will be the number at middle term. 20th term means A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. A plus 19D. In place of A you have to put the value from the given AP. A plus 19 into 6, D is here 6 from the AP. and A is 7 given in your AP. First term is here 7 from the given AP. Look at here. Here the first term 7 and common difference 6. So applying these values, it will be 121. Okay. This is the first middle. 20th term is 121. And 21st term A20. 1 is equal to A plus 21 minus 1 into D. Then it will be A plus 20D. Once again put here the first term 7 and D 6. Then it will be here 7 plus 120 is equal to 127. Therefore, middle terms are 121 and 127. So this is the rule for finding the middle term. Understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.